We're gonna whip up a quick dessert today. It's chilly, so we want to make it fast. We're gonna make Lazy Man's Peach Cobbler. It's something so delicious, even your mother-in-law will be impressed. Let's get started. This is going to be about as easy as making a white cake out of a box, because basically we're making a white cake out of a box. For this particular recipe, we need a couple of cans of peaches, we need 3 eggs, a cup of milk, and a half a cup of oil. Make sure you read the directions on your cake mix. The mileage may vary on that. Alright, the first step is we're going to get the eggs into the bowl. That's 3 eggs. One cup of milk. And a half a cup of oil. Then we'll get to mixing. Alright, we're going to mix this stuff up until it's a smooth, consistent batter. Just give her a whippity whip. Now we're going to get the Dutch oven prepared. We're going to get the peaches into them. Pro tip here though, with the sugar and the syrup and the peaches, there's a good chance that it'll burn to the bottom of your Dutch oven, ruining your oven and your whole life. The good news is though, that your mother-in-law is going to be so impressed with this dessert, she'll offer to do the dishes for you. To save face with your in-laws, we're going to put a heavy coating of oil in the bottom of the oven, and we're going to line it with tinfoil. Let's get started. And take a fair amount of oil. Just going to pour it into the bottom. That'll make sure everything cleans up nice and easy. The tin foil here does 2 things. It kind of protects the bottom of your cobbler from burning, and it makes for a pretty easy cleanup. 2 sheets will do her. Alright, let's get the peaches into the oven. Very good. Alright, the oven's ready to go. We have the peaches in. All we have to do is add our cake batter. The only thing I'd say here is try and make sure your cake batter stays on top. You don't want to mix the cake batter into the peaches. Let's get rolling. Alright, now all we have to do is get this thing on the fire. You've got to cook it for about half an hour to an hour at around 350 degrees. Let's get it up there. You want a reasonable amount of heat underneath, and then you want to add a bunch of heat to the top. I would suggest you probably want more heat at the top than you would underneath it. So for our heat on the top, I'm just going to add coals to the top. Pay attention here, what you're looking for is 350 degrees. Okay, we're going to let this guy cook for half an hour to an hour at about 350 degrees. About every 15 minutes we have to rotate the oven and rotate the lid on top to make sure it cooks evenly. And we'll be back when she's done. Alright, we're going to reduce some of the heat underneath and add more heat to the top. Well, it's been about 30 minutes. The sun's gone away, the clouds have come out, and the wind's picked up. Let's have a look inside. Oh, she's looking nice. So, like any other cake, you just want to test it with a toothpick. Make sure it comes out clean. And I think we're good to serve. Let's dig some out and see how it is. That ain't bad. Well, I want to thank you for spending time with us today. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Give it a try and leave a comment down below. If you like what you saw, hit the like button and subscribe. That would really help us out. I'm going to post the recipe for this on our website, legacy-outdoor.com. And again, today everything was cooked on the trusty pit. That's available at legacy-outdoor.com. It's a world-class flat-pack fire pit and barbecue.